Today we are going to talk about the Burger Smokehouse Hickory Smoked Turkey, and I'm standing here with none other than Stephen Berger, third generation at Burger Smokehouse in California, Missouri. I'm Kat Neville, I'm the publisher of Feast Magazine, and I've actually had a chance to come out to the plant and I've seen the care with which you put these products together, and it takes you a long time to actually make one of these turkeys.
You bet. By today's standards, it does take a little time, but we feel like the only way you get the flavor that we look for is to take the time to do it right. And we start out by getting fresh turkeys and we brine them for up to a week, and then we naturally hickory smoke them and cook them.
And by brining it, you really are ensuring that the end result is just juicy and fully flavored.
Exactly right. When poultry is cured and smoked, you can get some pink tints in the meat, and that does not indicate that it's undercooked.
And this is fully cooked. I mean, you could make turkey
Absolutely.
sandwiches, turkey salad, anything that you want.
Absolutely. You could cut this off the bone and eat it right like it is.
Just show us how incredibly easy it is to heat it up, because that's all you're doing. You're not cooking this turkey, so it's not going to take as long as your Thanksgiving Day bird.
That is exactly right. That's one of the conveniences about a cured and smoked turkey is that they're very, very easy. The first thing you want to do is obviously thaw your turkey. To do that, you need to probably give yourself 2 to 3 days ahead of when you're going to heat that turkey up. Put it in the refrigerator and just let it thaw out slowly. The next thing you want to do is take it out of the packaging. We've kind of got a good start on things here. That all needs to come off the turkey before we put it in the oven.
And we're going to actually cook it inside of a roasting bag.
That is correct.
And why do you use that?
What you want to do is you want to hold as much of the moisture that's in this turkey, and so what the bag does is it helps insulate that turkey from drying out.
Perfect.
So all we do is take a roasting bag. You can find these in any grocery store. Just slip that inside the bag. We do want to put some vents in here.
You don't want it to explode?
We don't want it to explode. That's exactly right. So about 3 little vents will let any of that heat escape as it's heating up.
And what temp is the oven?
We'll go in at about 350 degrees, and general rule of thumb is about 10 minutes per pound of meat. But the best way to ensure that you don't overheat this is to use a meat thermometer and heat to 140, and then you're ready to go.
But again, you're not heating it to cook.
Right.
So try not to overheat it because you don't want this wonderful brined bird to dry out.
Exactly. We don't want to take all the work that we put into making that bird less than desirable when you eat it. Alrighty, Kat, this beautiful bird is out of the oven.
This is something that you can very easily cook for your entire family on just a special occasion or a Sunday.
Oh, absolutely. And what you'll need to do is let this turkey sit for about 15 minutes. There are complete instructions on how to take the turkey off the bone. We'll just kind of start out with the breast.
I have a feeling I'm going to be able to try this.
You bet.
The smoked flavor on that is wonderful. Thanksgiving not only got a little easier, now I don't have to wait until Thanksgiving to have a full turkey.
Absolutely. Just give us a call.
Will do.